Welcome to the SOLIDWORKS introduction videos. In this video, we are going to see about various features within the display pane. In display pane, first there will be feature manager where there will be all the histories of the part that was created according to the drawing. Then there will be front, top and right planes. Then next to the feature manager, there is a property manager which helps to edit the properties of the developed part. Next to property manager, there is a configuration manager which is used for design automation once it is loaded. Then next is a dim expert manager. And finally there is an appearance manager which helps to edit the appearance of the part as accordingly based upon the desirability. Now let's check about the configuration manager in detail. Once the required configurations are preloaded within the design table, on one by one on selecting various configurations within the configuration manager, the required or the feeder dimensions will be obtained automatically within the part. That's it.